Good day, everyone. So Efsane will be listing their token finally on October, this October. So the last time I posted this update in our community, a whole lot of members in the community made a lot of USDT. They made a whole lot of USDT in their first phase and now their second phase, and then we are actually mining their second phase, which is claiming the gems, and those gems can actually be sent and or used, can actually be converted to USDT, or you can use the Saphira for claiming other items right there in the platform. All right, so now there are a few things I want you to understand about this Efsane before the airdrop launches. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to import their contract address that has been sent last few weeks. They send their contract address, they make it public officially. So I'm going to be showing you how to import it for those that are new in this channel. So that you have to ensure, if you are new in this channel, to follow up on our WhatsApp group, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications, because whenever I drop new videos, some people normally tell me they don't get it on time. So whenever you join this channel, please do your best to turn on your notifications. All right, so today I'll be showing you exactly how to stay positioned for the airdrop. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. Hello. So prior to the airdrop, there's gonna be a huge airdrop that's gonna be dropped for the newbies. Okay, for those that are yet to join the Efsane project, if you are new, you have to use the link in the description of this video and still join. Or if someone has a link, or someone directed you to this video, please go back to the person and demand for his link and use it and join the project. All right, do not miss this project for any reason. All right, do not miss this project for any reason. So for the newbies, the first thing you have to do is to join the project. After joining the project, you perform this little task in order to earn free tokens that will be exchanged to USDT at the day of launch. Okay, so the main thing you are going to do is very, very easy. Now, this is how to claim the tax. You just have to complete three things here to get the task. All right, now the airdrop is going to be launching on the 1st of August. So what the newbies are expected to do, or if you have two, you can also use two accounts or two phones. Like I myself, I use two phones. I double phones for my airdrops. So you can use two phones or two websites to just get yourself into the platform, so that I can earn in both sides. Okay, so what the newbies can do is that they said airdrop distribution October 1st, 2025 will be distributed to all qualified users. Okay, will be distributed to all qualified users. All right, here. So how to claim here now is just by performing little tasks. So these are the tasks that you have to perform as a newbie for you to qualify for a free 20 Efsane, which is about the $20 to $30 or thereabout. All right, I'll check it and get back to those that want to get more updates. But these are the things that you are advised to do. You have to. These are the invitation task. They say between August 1st to September, which is next month 31st, successfully invite at least 5 new users to register. Only new users registered during this event could count old invitations, which means old invitations do not matter to this. It's only new invitations that are going to be receiving this airdrop. All right, so what you're actually going to be doing is to complete this daily check-in. You have to check in for at least 40 times for the period of 60 days. All right, so after that period of 60 days, you complete the 3 tasks. The 3 tasks are just doing what we just told you, what I just explained. All right, you are going to be following them on their YouTube channel, and also the tasks are right there, and you don't have to mix any of the tasks. Okay, you don't have to mix any of these tasks, and when you do those 3 tasks, you are going to be qualified to earn airdrop. All right, so newbies are going to be earning, also are going to be benefiting from this platform also. Okay, so what you're actually going to be doing is that there's gonna for the newbies, you're going to be having 2 free EFC tokens credited instantly to your account, and also the rubies can be redeemed for USDT, all right, as low as $11. So any gem that you claim from now till after 60 days can be claimed to USDT. So for the ones that are new in this update, if you start now to be claiming their gems, you're gonna be able to withdraw those gems to USDT, all right, on October, when the token will be automatically listed, which you are gonna be converting. Okay, and also the Sapphire that will be given to you also can be used in their games and purchases, just like I said in the previous section. All right, so that is what you need to know about that. Okay, now let me show you how to import your Efsane token to your MetaMask through the contract address. All right, so let's head over to the next section. So we are going to be importing the contract address to our MetaMask. All right, also for those that don't know how to import, I've created a video. There's a video that I created, a different video on how to import in MetaMask. All right, you can check the channel. The link will be there, and also I'm dropping the link at the description of this video again. All right, now in order for us to import the Efsane official contract address to our MetaMask so that we can stay positioned for the airdrop, follow this guide to the end. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to join the community to stay updated on whenever I post updates and whenever the listing occurs. All right, so let's get started. To do that, you have to go to your MetaMask, copy the address which I have dropped at the description. You copy it, then go over to MetaMask. So to import it, you have to come over here. You change the network. Right now the network you can see is on Ethereum, so we are going to be changing this network to BNB. Why? We are changing to BNB because the Efsane frozen token was built on BNB. Okay, that is the reason why we are going to be changing it to BNB. All right, so we head over there and click on it, and after clicking on it, we are going to be selecting the Binance chain mainnet. You click on it. Now, and after clicking on it, you are going to be importing it directly. Okay, you are going to be importing it directly. So we click over here to import the token to the network. You click over there. Now we just clicked over it. Now we are going to post the contract address that I pasted right at the description of this video right here. Okay, you paste that contract address there, then you click on it, and it's going to search automatically. Or if it doesn't search it automatically, just come over here. All right, click on custom token. You change it to custom token. All right, you change it to custom token. Okay, then you select network, you select the BNB smart chain, and then you paste your contract address right here. You paste your contract address right here. Okay, then after pasting that contract address right here, you click on next. You are going to give it some time to load up. So whenever you post your token address here and it shows up this, we couldn't find any token with that name, just know that it is because this token here has not been made live. All right, because it is not yet listed. Okay, so now the option we are going to be doing, Now, I want you to know that here in MetaMask, this is the easiest way to search any token through the contract address. Whenever you post it here, the token is going to show up automatically. But since this one didn't show up, we are going to be using the custom section here, okay? So we'll click on this custom section here. And then we select the network. Already is in network already, but let me show you what I did. You select the network here. Now the network was by default on Ethereum, so we are going to change this network here. We are going to change it to BNB Smart Chain. Okay, we changed it to BNB Smart Chain. Why? Because the network, the EFC token was built on the BNB network, just as I told you in the previous slide. So we click on it, and then I've already pasted my Efsane contract address. So whenever you paste it and it doesn't show up, if you paste this Efsane contract address and it doesn't show up automatically, just paste it and click on this button. Just click on send in your notepad. Okay, just paste it and click on send in your notepad. Then it's gonna pop up this. If you click on send in your notepad, it's gonna pop up this. Okay, it's gonna pop up right this. Congratulations, this is the token. So we just head over here now and import it automatically. Okay, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to this channel if you are new. All right, so congratulations, this is the token. This is the token here. We have just successfully imported our token here in MetaMask. Okay, so that is how you import your Efsane token. In the next slide, I'll be telling you what to do. Okay, I'll be showing you exactly one more thing on what you need to do so that you don't miss out on this airdrop. So let's head over to the next slide. So friends, the last thing we are gonna be doing for this Efsane airdrop, after importing our official Efsane contract address or wallet into our MetaMask, we are gonna be copying the address. All right, we are gonna be copying the address from the receive section back to our Efsane website and paste it right there. Okay, so what we are gonna be doing now is to click over here, there, and then it will take you to where we're gonna be copying. We'll click over this receive here. All right, we'll click over this receive, and then we'll click here and copy the address. Okay, after copying the address, now we can now head back to our Efsane official website and insert the address right there and bind it there. All right, so that whenever the airdrop commences, we can receive ours directly into our wallet. So here is my dashboard on the Efsane website. I'm just gonna go over here first of all and scroll down and ensure that you've followed for the day, you've signed up to achieve your daily gems. After receiving your daily gems, you just scroll over this little thing here. You just click on this little pencil over here. You click on it, and then you see now that they said where they have this airdrop address now, that's where we are gonna be inserting that address that we copied from MetaMask. Okay, so we insert that address right here. We insert that address right here, and then we click on confirm. All right, don't worry about this section. Okay, just click on this confirm and you are good to go. All right, you can see successfully modified. So we finally binded our Efsane wallet into the website, so we are now good to go. And one more thing I want you to know before I forget is this: whenever you claim your gems, try as much as possible to be converting it to the frozen EFC, so that you do not get them burned, okay? Because any frozen gems or any gems that is kept without converting it will automatically get burned. So what I'm saying is, all these gems that you've accumulated, all these gems that you've accumulated, ensure you convert them. All right, ensure you convert all these gems that you have accumulated. All right, ensure you convert them to EFC, to this EFC here, before the listing begins. All right, ensure that you convert all your gems to this EFC before you begin. Now, this is how you convert them. Okay, don't do mistake, guys, and leave them like that. Don't do mistake and just claim your gems and leave there, else it's gonna get burned. Okay, so for you to be able to convert them, you click on this swap. Whenever you've accumulated enough gems, you click on that swap where you have the flash swap. You click on the gems here. This is the gems that we are converting. So depending on the amount that you've accumulated, like me, I have swapped my own for the day. That is why if I click on this maximum, always click on maximum, you can see 0 because I have swapped already for the day. So once you click on that swap, you can now decide to swap the equivalent of these gems to your Efsane. All right, you see the equivalent here, and then when you click on that, you see that this one here will be highlighted automatically. So you click on confirm and your gems will be converted automatically to your frozen. Okay, so that is one thing I want you to understand. All right, now for those that are asking me how to convert to USDT for withdrawal, it's still the same section. You have to click on this. All right, you click on that, you select what you want to convert to. If you have enough gems that can equal to the USDT that you want to swap to, you click on that gems, and then you change this from Efsane. Now you change it to USDT. All right, when you change it to USDT, now the Efsane that you're gonna be converting is gonna appear in USDC format. So when you click here now, after selecting that gems, when you click here, they say from gems to frozen. So you're gonna be changing this one here now to USDC. All right, so when you click on that USDC now, okay, you can now see that this one here now, that feature has been removed. I don't know, but I think that feature has been removed. Initially you could convert this one to USDC directly. All right, but anyways, just remember to, since the listing is very close, just remember to always convert these gems to your frozen EFC. All right, so remember not to do not accumulate these gems and leave them in your wallet. All right, else they are gonna get burned. All right, else they are gonna get burned. So whatsoever gems you've accumulated, ensure you always do your best to convert your gems to your frozen EFC. All right, so one more time, this is where you go to convert all your gems to EFC, right here. All right, that is where you go to convert. So if you've accumulated a whole lot of gems, always come there to convert. All right, so if you have any question or there's something that you don't understand, drop it at the comment section. So when I'm online, I'm going to reply to every comment right there. All right, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.